Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a car audio enthusiast, you've probably asked yourself this question at some point. Are bigger car subwoofers better? Today, we're looking into this debate to help you decide whether a larger subwoofer is the right choice for your car audio setup. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more expert tips and reviews on car audio. And once you are done watching till the end, drop a comment below with your thoughts on this topic. Subwoofers play a crucial role in car audio systems by delivering deep, rich bass that smaller speakers simply can't reproduce. But does bigger always mean better? Let's break it down. Let's start with understanding car subwoofer sizes and their impact. Subwoofers come in various sizes, with the most common being 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 15-inch models. Each size has its own strengths and weaknesses, affecting sound quality, loudness, and overall performance. The key factors to consider when choosing a subwoofer size include frequency response, power handling, enclosure requirements, and the type of music you enjoy. 8-inch subwoofers are the smallest commonly used subwoofers, and they excel at delivering tight, punchy bass. Their compact size allows for quick response times, making them perfect for genres that rely on speed and accuracy, such as rock, country, and jazz. If you prefer clear and precise bass that complements the rest of your audio system without overpowering it, an 8-inch subwoofer is a solid choice. It's also ideal for smaller vehicles or those who want to add bass without sacrificing too much trunk space. 10-inch subwoofers offer a step up in performance compared to 8-inch models. They provide a balance between speed and depth, allowing for slightly richer and more resonant bass without becoming overwhelming. This makes them a popular choice among car owners looking for a well-rounded bass experience. A 10-inch subwoofer delivers solid low frequencies while maintaining good response times, making it suitable for a wide range of music styles, from rock to hip-hop. Additionally, they don't require as much power as larger subwoofers, making them a more practical option for many users. 12-inch subwoofers are the most popular size for car audio enthusiasts because they strike an excellent balance between power and responsiveness. They can handle deeper bass tones while still delivering a relatively quick response. This makes them ideal for bass-heavy genres such as hip-hop, EDM, and R&B, where strong, rumbling bass is essential for an immersive listening experience. A 12-inch subwoofer provides a noticeable upgrade over smaller options without taking up as much space as larger models. 15-inch subwoofers are designed for those who crave deep, earth-shaking bass. Capable of producing extremely low frequencies, they are perfect for genres like rap and dubstep, where deep, resonant bass lines are a key part of the music. However, they require significantly more space and power to operate efficiently. If you have a large vehicle and want to experience chest-thumping bass, a 15-inch subwoofer may be the ultimate choice. But does size really matter? Now that we understand the different subwoofer sizes, let's discuss whether bigger truly means better. The answer depends on several factors. Factor number 1. Sound quality versus volume. Larger subwoofers tend to produce deeper bass, but they might not always sound better. The quality of bass depends on other factors like the subwoofer's build quality, power supply, and enclosure type. A well-powered 10-inch or 12-inch subwoofer can sometimes outperform a poorly powered 15-inch subwoofer in terms of sound clarity. Factor number 2. Power handling and amplification. Bigger subwoofers typically require more power to operate efficiently. If you don't pair them with a strong enough amplifier, they won't perform to their full potential. A smaller subwoofer with adequate power can sound much better than an underpowered large subwoofer. Factor number 3. Enclosure and space considerations. Subwoofers need properly designed enclosures to perform well. Larger subs require bigger enclosures, which might not be practical for smaller vehicles. If space is limited, a well-tuned 10-inch or 12-inch subwoofer might be the better choice. Factor number 4. Type of music you listen to. Your music preference should influence your choice of subwoofer size. If you listen to fast-paced music like rock or metal, a smaller subwoofer will provide a tighter, more accurate bass response. However, if you love bass-heavy music, a larger subwoofer will deliver the deep, resonant bass you're looking for. Factor number 5. Budget and installation costs. Bigger subwoofers usually cost more, not just for the sub itself but also for the amplifier and enclosure. Installation can also be more complex, requiring professional tuning to get the best sound. A high-quality 10-inch or 12-inch setup might give you better overall performance for the same budget as a lower-quality 15-inch setup. Now let's bust the myth of bigger always being better. Many people assume that a bigger subwoofer automatically means better bass. However, bass quality is about more than just size. It's about precision, tuning, and balance. A poorly installed or underpowered large subwoofer can produce muddy, overwhelming bass that drowns out the rest of your music. On the other hand, a properly tuned smaller sub can give you tight, punchy bass that enhances the overall sound experience. Now let's discuss how to find the right subwoofer for your car. So, what's the best subwoofer size for you? Choosing the right subwoofer depends on several factors, including your vehicle size, music preferences, and available space. Let's break it down. If you drive a small car and want tight, punchy bass without sacrificing too much trunk space, an 8-inch or 10-inch subwoofer is a great option. These sizes provide clean and controlled bass, making them ideal for genres like rock, country, and jazz, where bass needs to be fast and accurate rather than overwhelmingly deep. If you're looking for a balance between bass depth and clarity, a 12-inch subwoofer is the most versatile option. It's the go-to choice for many car audio enthusiasts because it offers a solid mix of responsiveness and deep, powerful bass. Whether you enjoy hip-hop, EDM, or R&B, a 12-inch subwoofer can enhance your listening experience without taking up too much space or requiring excessive power. If you have plenty of space and crave deep, booming bass, a 15-inch subwoofer might be the way to go. These subs can produce extremely low frequencies that shake the car and immerse you in the music. However, keep in mind that 15-inch subwoofers require a powerful amplifier and a large enclosure, so make sure your car's electrical system and space can accommodate them. Beyond just size, always choose a high-quality subwoofer from a reputable brand. Pay attention to specifications like RMS power handling, sensitivity rating, and impedance to ensure compatibility with your amplifier. Also, the type of enclosure plays a significant role in sound performance. A sealed enclosure provides tight, accurate bass, while a ported enclosure delivers louder, more resonant bass. If you want extreme bass output, a bandpass enclosure can amplify specific frequencies for maximum impact. In conclusion, are bigger car subwoofers better? The answer is, it depends. Bigger subwoofers produce deeper bass, but that doesn't always mean they provide the best listening experience. Factors like power, enclosure, space, and music preference all play a role in determining what's right for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more car audio tips and product reviews. Also, let us know in the comments, what's your favorite subwoofer size and why? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.